Hello, everybody. Welcome to this session. This is the first session, and we are going to create folders. You should have the practice exercise bank, and we are starting with the first exercise. So let's follow the question by question, as we create folders, subfolders, and files. So question 1 says, create a folder on the desktop with your name and registration number. So this is our desktop area. There is our recycle bin. I will go to any blank space on the desktop. I right click. I scroll down and look for the word new. It may be placed different on your computer, but you're going to look for new. And once you get to the new uh, icon, you will notice that there's an arrow on the right side of it. And once you get to anything that has an arrow, it will bring up another pop-up screen with different options. And the option we are looking for is the first one, called folder. So I go ahead and click on folder, and once a new folder is created with the blue highlight over new folder, I begin typing my name and registration number. So I'm going to go ahead and type my name. Let me make it capital letters. Press the caps lock on the keyboard and I type my name. There we go. There's my name. I don't have a registration number, but I'll go ahead and put one in for now. Notice that I am not using a forward slash. I am using dashes because when you put a forward slash, that acts as a path. The computer may reject that. So I'm going ahead to type my number. Let me say I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. That's my number and my program. You will choose your program, but there I go, and I press the enter key to save that. So we've created a folder on the desktop with my name and registration number. Next, in the folder created, create subfolders named head, hand, foot, and eyes. So I'm going ahead to double click on the folder. Okay, let me put it there so that we can look at that. How sure am I that I am in my folder? I can see the title bar gives the name of the folder, meaning I'm here. So I'm supposed to create subfolders. A subfolder is a folder in another folder. So I'm going to use the same method. Right click, new, and I select the word folder. And the first one is supposed to be called head, and I press enter. Next one, right click, new, folder. Next one is hand. I press enter. Right click for the next one, new, and I look for folder. And this one is supposed to be foot, and I press the enter key on the keyboard. And the last one is eye. I right click, new, and I select folder. And I type I, and I press the enter key. There, we have our 4 folders. Next question. Copy the I folder and place it in the head folder. So we are supposed to make a copy. I right click on the I folder because I'm supposed to copy it. Make sure your mouse pointer is on the folder you want to copy. Right click on it and look for the word copy. It's right down there. And I am supposed to place this in the head folder. So I could right click and paste on the head folder, but I want to make sure it's inside. So I'm going to double click on the head folder, right click inside the head folder and I paste. Paste means you want to put a copy or put an item somewhere. So I click paste and there is the I folder. Remember, this is a copy of the folder. Okay, save. Next question, save a Word document named myself inside your main folder. I could use my arrow keys to move me back up to my main folder. Okay, because right now, according to this path, here is my main folder and there is the head folder. Or I could go ahead and click right on the folder name. That will take me back to the main folder. So I'm supposed to save a Word document named myself. I'm going to right click inside this file, new, and I'm going to look for Microsoft Word. There it is, Microsoft Word document. I click on that and I am supposed to name this folder myself. While it is still blue, I haven't clicked. I'm going to just start typing myself and I press the enter key. Great. Next, save a Microsoft Word document named fingers inside the hand folder. So I am going to double click on the hand folder. Same steps, right click on the white space inside, look for new, and you are going to click Microsoft Word and we type fingers. Great, we are done with that work. How do we go back to the main folder? We click on the folder name if we are inside a folder, or we can click the up arrow to take us back up to the main folder. We are done with this work. I hope you have learned how to create a folder, create a document, create a file inside a folder and wherever you choose on the computer. Thank you. See you next time.